Morning, children. In this class, we are going to talk about the Eastern India. That means the states in Eastern India, different temples over there, and about Eastern part of India. Okay, we have seven sisters in Eastern India. So, coming to the first there are some pictures that have been shown at top of this page. You just need to know what these places are. For example, this is Dakshineshwar Kali temple. Next one we have this. This is ruins of Nalanda. Okay, Nalanda is in Bihar, and these are ruins of Nalanda. Next we have the Howrah Bridge. This is very known. Next, the last one we have Jagannath temple that has been shown in the last picture. Coming to choose the correct options. First one, Emperor Ashoka renounced the violence after the Battle of Kalinga. In what present-day state of India is Kalinga located? See, Ashoka renounced this violence after Battle of Kalinga because after Battle of Kalinga he realized that there is so much destruction that a war causes, and so many human beings were killed in that war that he decided not to fight again. And this Kalinga is in present day Odisha, where he actually wanted to win that. Though he won that, still he decided to give up the war. Next, we have in what state is Belur Math, the headquarters of Ram Krishna Mission, situated? First of all, the headquarter of Ram Krishna Mission is Belur Math, and it is situated in West Bengal. This is very easy one. Next, we have which of these crops is abundantly grown in eastern India? Listen, all the major seven sisters like Assam, they have jute in abundance, and so they make jute baskets and the accessories with jute, so they grow jute in abundant abundancy. Next, we have which lake found in eastern India is the second largest brackish lagoon in the world? It is the Chilika lake. You need to remember this. This is Lake Chilika. This is the second largest brackish lagoon in the world. Next is who among these was an exponent of Odissi dance? So, Kelucharan Mohapatra was an exponent of Odissi dance. Next, we come to sixth one. In which of these states is the Bokaro steel plant located? Bokaro steel plant. It is a steel plant where steel is manufactured. This is in Jharkhand. This is a very old plant. Okay, plant means a company. Next, we have which of these ancient kingdoms existed in the eastern part of India? So the kingdom of Magadha existed in the eastern part of India. We have already read about Magad kingdom in our social science chapters. Last one we have which of these styles of paintings originated in Bihar? See, our country is rich in its culture, and so we have different states. With different states we have different paintings, art forms. So this Madhubani painting, this is an art form which originates from Bihar. Similarly, we have some other patterns like we have the Rajasthani ones. We have different prints also. Different art forms belong to different states. So Madhubani belongs to Bihar. Next, the last one, we come to the tidbits. The Salt Lake Stadium in Kolkata is one of the largest stadiums in the world. So the name of the stadium is Salt Lake, and this stadium in Kolkata is the largest stadium, is one of the largest stadium in the world. Okay. So this is all about the Eastern India. There are um, these questions. You need to remember all of these. Along with that, go with the pictures. In case you have any doubt, please ask your teacher.